Hi students, welcome to DSR Maths. In this video, we will continue the range of a function. In the last video, we taken some function, so which are involving trigonometric functions, right? So here also we have to continue that. So range of a function which are involving trigonometric functions. In that, see the first problem. See, find the range of 1 by 4 cos x minus 5. So we know that here to find the range of this one, first we know that range of cos x minus 1 less than or equal to cos x less than or equal to 1, right? Now again multiply with 4, minus 4 less than or equal to 4 cos x less than or equal to 4. Minus 5 is there, so minus 4 minus 5 less than or equal to 4 cos x minus 5 less than or equal to 4 minus 5. That implies minus 9 less than or equal to 4 cos x minus 5 less than or equal to minus 1. Means this one lies between minus 1 to minus 9 to minus 1, including minus 9 minus 1, right? So in this one there is no 0. So we can take reciprocal of this one directly. So if you take the reciprocal of this one, 1 by minus 9, this less than or equal to becomes what? Greater than or equal to 1 by 4 cos x minus 5 greater than or equal to 1 by minus 1. That implies minus 1 less than or equal to, this is 1 by 4 cos x minus 5 less than or equal to minus 1 by 9. So therefore range of the given function is what? Closed interval minus 1 minus 1 by 9, right? Suppose if you take the function like this, f of x equal to 8 by 3 plus, suppose sin x taken. So given function is what? 8 by 3 plus sin x. So here also same. We know that this one sin x minus 1 less than or equal to sin x less than or equal to 1, right? But which range you want? 8 by 3 plus sin x. For that add plus 3. So 3 minus 1 less than or equal to, so sin x plus 3 less than or equal to 1 plus 3. So here 2 less than or equal to sin x plus 3 less than or equal to 4. So sin x plus 3, so exist from where to where? 2, close interval 2 to 4. But range of 8 by 3 plus sin x you want. So for that we have to take the reciprocal of this one, right? To take the reciprocal of this one, once you observe these values, minimum value and maximum value, between there is no 0. So that's why you can take a reciprocal of this one. So like this, if you take the reciprocal of this one, 1 by 2 less than or equal to becomes greater than or equal to 1 by sin x plus 3. Here also less than or equal to becomes greater than or equal to 1 by 4. But into 8 is there, multiply with 8. So 8 by 2 greater than or equal to 8 by sin x plus 3 greater than or equal to 8 by 4. Here 4 greater than or equal to, so this has f of x greater than or equal to 2. So also you can write 2 less than or equal to f of x less than or equal to 4. So therefore what is the range of this function? Closed interval 2 to 4. Okay, right. Suppose third problem, range of the function f of x equal to, like this is there, 1 by 3 cos x minus 2 is there. So how to do? So listen, here also minus 1 less than or equal to cos x less than or equal to 1. But range of this function we have to find, right? For that, multiply with 3. Minus 3 less than or equal to 3 cos x less than or equal to 3. Again here minus 2 is there. So minus 3 minus 2 less than or equal to 3 cos x minus 2 less than or equal to 3 minus 2. Right? Now that implies minus 5 less than or equal to 3 cos x minus 2 less than or equal to 1. So 3 cos x minus 2 belongs to closed interval minus 5 to 1. But we have to find the range of 1 by 3 cos x minus 2. So we have to take the reciprocal of this one. Previous two problems, between these two there is no 0. But here there is a 0 between these two, right? Here negative value minus 5, here 1 is there. So between these two, what is there? 0 is there. Right? At 0, if you take the reciprocal of this one, 1 by 0 not defined. So what we have to do? So for this, you have to write like this. Minus 5 less than or equal to 3 cos x minus 2 less than 0. Next to 0 less than 3 cos x minus 2 less than or equal to 1. So at 0 only, 1 by that does not exist. 1 by 0 getting. So that's why we have to avoid that 0 value. Since what is the reason? 3 cos x minus 2 not equal to 0. So that's why we have to avoid that one. Now for this one and this one we have to take the reciprocal. So how to take the reciprocal? Once you observe this is less than 0. This is greater than 0. Right? Now for this one if you take the reciprocal, what you will get? 1 by minus 5. Here less than or equal to becomes greater than or equal to 1 by 3 cos x minus 2, and here less than or equal to less than becomes greater than. So 1 by 0 minus you will get. 1 by 0 minus means x less than 0 means some negative value. Right here. And this one, here if you take the reciprocal, 1 by 0 plus, because it is greater than 0. Right? Here less than becomes greater than. Okay. Now 1 by 3 cos x minus 2 and less than or equal to becomes greater than 1 by. Now simplify this one. Minus 1 by 5 greater than or equal to this is f of x greater than 1 by 0 minus infinity, right? Next this one 1 by 0 plus infinity greater than f of x greater than or equal to 1. Means minus infinity less than f of x less than or equal to minus 1 by 5. And 1 less than or equal to f of x less than infinity. Like this you have to take. Okay. And now f of x belongs to open interval minus infinity to here closed interval minus 1 by 5 union closed interval 1 to open interval infinity. So therefore a range of this function is minus infinity to close interval 1 by 5 union close interval 1 to infinity. Right? So like this whenever between 0 is there we have to write like this, then we have to take the reciprocal of this one. Okay, no? So this is about the range of the function 1 by 3 cos x minus 2. Right? Suppose fourth problem, one more problem you take based on this. So like this. So that is 1 minus 2 sin x I will take. 1 by 1 minus 2 sin x. So here also minus 1 less than or equal to sin x less than or equal to 1. So range of this function we have to find. For that this value exists close interval minus 1 to 1. Sin x is exists close interval minus 1 to 1. But here minus 2 is there. Multiply with minus 2. Right? If you multiply with minus 2, what will get 2? But this less than or equal to becomes greater than or equal to minus 2 sin x greater than or equal to minus 2. Again add 1. So 1 plus 2, 3 greater than or equal to 1 minus 2 sin x greater than or equal to 1 minus 2. Right? Now that implies 3 greater than or equal to 1 minus 2 sin x greater than or equal to minus 1. That implies again if you write this one minus 1 less than or equal to 1 minus 2 sin x less than or equal to 3. Now once we observe to take the reciprocal of this one, between these two 0 is there. At 0 if you take the reciprocal not defined. So that's why what we have to write this one like this. Minus 1 less than or equal to 1 minus 2 sin x less than 0. Because we have to avoid that 0. Next to 0 less than 1 minus 2 sin x less than or equal to 3. Between minus 1 to 3 there is a 0, so if you avoid that 0 like this interval you will get. Now we have to take the reciprocal for this one. So if you take the reciprocal here less than 0 this one and here it is what greater than 0. So 1 by minus 1 greater than or equal to 1 by 1 minus 2 sin x greater than 1 by 0 minus. 0 minus means less than 0. Here this is less than 0. 1 by less than 0 value. And this is 1 by 0 plus means greater than 0. 1 by greater than 0. Less than becomes greater than 1 by 1 minus 2 sin x greater than or equal to 1 by 3. Now this is minus infinity. So minus infinity less than f of x less than or equal to minus 1. Next, this one 1 by 3 less than or equal to f of x less than infinity. So range of this function is what? My open interval minus infinity to close interval 1 union close interval 1 by 3 to infinity. So this is about the what? F of x equal to 1 by 1 minus 2 sin x range. Right? Next one. So up to this problem, so 4 problems, 1 type problems, right? Next type problems, second type problems. Suppose they are asking find the range of the function f of x equal to a cos x or a cos theta plus b sin theta plus c. Means if the function which is in the form of a cos theta plus b sin theta plus c, then how to find the range of that function, right? Now, so for this I will write like this: f of x equal to, so root of a square plus b square into a cos theta plus b sin theta plus c by root of a square plus b square. So what we are doing? Multiply and divide by root of a square plus b square. Why you are dividing like this? You will get now. See here, like this. That is equal to root of a square plus b square. So I will write like this. This as a by root of a square plus b square cos theta plus b by root of a square plus b square sin theta plus c by root of a square plus b square. So here this function involving two trigonometric functions. by applying multiplying dividing by root of a square plus b square, if you write this is a single function, either sine or cos, then that sine cos between -1 to 1, including -1 to +1, if you take, then easily we can simplify. So for that, multiply and divide by root of a square plus b square. And now that is equal to root of a square plus b square as it is. So this one I will write sine alpha cos theta, and this one I will write as cos alpha, and this is sin theta as it is, right? Plus c by root of a square plus b square as it is you write, right? Now that is equal to, I will write a square plus b square, this is sin alpha cos theta plus cos alpha sin theta, multiply this root of a square plus b square, this one, these two get cancelled, what is remaining? C. That implies root of a square plus b square, this can be written as sin of theta plus alpha, can you write, or alpha plus theta plus c, right? So while you are taking this a by root of a square plus b square, and how can you take this b by root of a square plus b square as cos alpha? See, these two satisfying this condition, sin square alpha, trigonometric identity, sin square alpha plus cos square alpha equal to 1. Here sin alpha equal to this one you take it. That is what, a by root of a square plus b square whole square plus this one b by root of a square plus b square whole square. That is equal to, so a square by a square plus b square, b square by a square plus b square. What is the LCM? A square plus b square. So a square plus b square equal to 1. So cos square alpha plus sin square alpha equal to 1. So these two satisfying this condition. So that's why this one what I am taking sin alpha, this one cos alpha, right? Or you can convert in terms of cos also. Means for converting cos, here what we have to take cos alpha, this one as sin alpha, even though it satisfies this condition. Now, see, once you observe, so this is this given function is involving two trigonometric functions. By simplifying like this, we are getting a single trigonometric function. Now we know that this one sin of theta plus alpha -1 less than or equal to sin of theta plus alpha, right? Less than or equal to 1, right? Now this is f of x, means this is also f of x. Range of this one is nothing but range of the given function. So sin of theta plus alpha exists closed interval -1 to +1. Now what you want, again this one multiply with the root of a square plus b square, this is our positive value. So if you multiply with positive value, that inequality does not change. So that's why minus root of a square plus b square less than or equal to root of a square plus b square sin of theta plus alpha less than or equal to root of a square plus b square. Okay, again what is there? Plus c is there, and now c minus root of a square plus b square less than or equal to root of a square plus b square sin of theta plus alpha plus c less than or equal to c plus root of a square plus b square. Okay, and now c minus root of a square plus b square, this total it has what? F of x. So less than or equal to f of x less than or equal to c plus root of a square plus b square. Now whenever function it is in the form of a cos theta b sin theta plus c, or a cos x plus b sin x plus c, so what is the minimum value of that one? C minus root of a square plus b square. And what is the maximum value of that one? C plus root of a square plus b square. So therefore what is the range of that is c minus root of a square plus b square, c plus root of a square plus b square, right? For example, they given one problem like this. Four sin x or 4 cos x plus 3 sin x, like this they given, or plus 5 also they given, whatever. Find the range of the function 4 cos x plus 3 sin x plus 5. So once you see, compare with this one with what? A cos x plus b sin x plus c. So whenever function it is in the form of a cos x plus b sin x plus c, so here a equal to 4, b equal to 3, c equal to 5. What is the range of that function? C minus root of a square plus b square, c plus root of a square plus b square. Okay. Now that is equal to c 5. 5 minus root of 4 square plus 3 square and 5 plus root of 4 square plus 3 square. That is equal to 5 minus 16 plus 9, 25. Root 25 is 5 and this is 5 plus 5. That is equal to 0 to close interval 0, comma 10. So range of this function is what? Close interval 0, comma 10. Right. Previous problem, directly it is in the form of a cos x plus b sin x plus c form. But this is not in the form of a cos x plus b sin x plus c. So by simplifying this one, we have to convert into a cos x plus b sin x plus c. So for that, we have to do like this. F of x equal to cos theta plus 2 into. So this is in the form of cos of a plus b. Cos of a plus b. So cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b plus 3. Now that is equal to cos theta plus 2 into. So this is 1 by 2 cos pi by 3 into cos theta minus sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2 into sin theta plus 3. Okay. Now multiply with 2 for these two terms. That is equal to cos theta plus here cos theta and minus root 3 into sin theta plus here 2 get cancelled. Now from these two 2 cos theta you can write minus root 3 into sin theta plus 3. Now this is not in the form of a cos theta plus b sin theta plus c. If you apply cos of a plus b formula and simplify, then what is that? 2 cos theta minus root 3 sin theta plus c. Now this is in the form of what? So this is in the in terms of theta, no? So I will take this is also theta. So f of theta, right? Now a cos x plus b sin x plus c. So a equal to 2, b equal to minus root 3 and c equal to 3. Now what about the range? Range of the given function is c minus root of a square plus b square and c plus root of a square plus b square. That is equal to c. C is 3. 3 minus root of a square plus b square means 4 minus root 3 whole square 3 and c plus root of 4 plus 3. C is here 3. Okay. Now that is equal to 3 minus root 7, 3 plus root 7. So this is the range of the given function. For this, so what you did, once again listen. So here they given f of theta equal to cos theta plus 2 into cos of theta plus pi by 3. So here if you apply cos a plus b formula, so cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Now cos theta plus pi by 3 is 1 by 2, cos pi by 3, sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. Here 2 get cancelled, here also 2. Cos theta plus cos theta, 2 cos theta minus root 3 sin theta plus 3. Now it is in the form of a cos theta plus b sin theta equal to c. Now range is what? C minus root of a square plus b square, c plus root of a square plus b square. These a, b, c values substitute in this one. Then you will get the required range of the given function. Next, suppose the problem is f of x equal to 10 cos square x minus 6 sin x into cos x plus 2 sin square x. Like this is there. How to do? we have to find the range of this function. This is also directly not in the form of a cos theta plus b sin theta plus c. So we know that cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. This minus 1, if you bring this side, 1 plus cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x. Now that implies cos square x equal to 1 plus cos 2x by 2. Okay. Similarly, so cos 2x, one more formula is there, that is 1 minus 2 sin square x. Right. So 2 sin square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x. Now that implies the sin square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So in place of cos square, you substitute this one, sin square, you substitute this one. Now f of x equal to 10 into cos square 1 plus cos 2x by 2 minus. Now this one you can write, see here, 2 into or 3 into 2 sin x cos x. So 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x, right? Now how to write it as 3 into sin 2x, right? So this is 6 cos x sin x. How to write? 3 into 2 sin x cos x. So 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. So 3 into sin 2x plus 2 into, here what is there, sin square x equal to 1 minus cos 2x by, okay. Now simplify this one. So here 2 5 times get cancelled, okay. Next here 2 simplify, that implies multiply with 5 plus 5 cos 2x minus 3 sin 2x plus 1 minus cos 2x. So from these two, 4 cos 2x you can write minus 3 sin 2x, and from these two plus 6. Now once you observe this equation, this function, it is in the form of a cos x plus b sin x plus c. So here a equal to 4, b equal to minus 3, c equal to 6. A, here what is the angle is there, here also should be same, right? Then it is in the form of a cos theta plus b sin theta plus c. Now what about the range of the function? Range c minus root of a square plus b square and c plus root of a square plus b square. That is equal to c, 6 minus a square, so root of 16 plus 9, and b square, 6 plus root of 16 plus 9, that is equal to, so 6 minus 5, 6 plus 5, that is equal to what? 1 comma 11. So this is the range of the given function 10 cos square x minus 6 sin x cos x plus 2 sin square x, right? This is about the, so this problem. Next, in this model, this is the third problem, I think, right? Now see the fourth problem. Find the maximum value of a range of f of x equal to 1 by 6 plus root 14 cos x plus and root 11 sin x, like this they given. Find the maximum value of f of x equal to 1 by this function they given. See, to get this one maximum, so maximum of this function, when you will get maximum of this one means if it is minimum, denominator is minimum, then this function is maximum, right? Minimum value of this one means if it is denominator is maximum, minimum value will get. So both the maximum and minimum both you can find, right? So maximum of this function is what? 1 by minimum of this one. and the minimum of f of x is what? 1 by maximum of because if it is minimum, 1 by minimum maximum you will get like that. And now that is equal to 1 by maximum value of f of x asking. So 1 by, if denominator is minimum, then function is maximum. Minimum of 6 plus root 14 cos x plus root 11 sin x. Okay. Now is it in the form of a cos x plus b sin x plus c? Right? Now in this one, a equal to root 14 if you take, b equal to root 11 and c equal to 6. Now that is equal to 1 by, how to find minimum value? C minus root of a square plus b square, minimum. That is equal to C 6 minus root of a square 14 and b square 11. That is equal to 6 minus so root 25. That is equal to 6 minus 5. That is equal to 1. So that is equal to 1. So maximum of the given function is what? 1 by minimum of denominator. Minimum of the denominator is 1. So 1 by 1 is 1. So maximum of the given function is 1. Right. See this type of problems. Here what they given? Find the minimum value of 9 tan square theta plus 4 cot square theta. So all these problems, same type problems they given. So for this type of problems we have to use this condition. We know that arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric mean. This is the third type problems. Functions involving trigonometric functions in that third type. In that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 problems. So all these problems, for all these problems we have to apply this condition. Arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric mean. We know that arithmetic mean of two functions, suppose if you take a square sine square theta plus b square cosecant square theta divided by 2 greater than or equal to, so root of a square sine square theta into b square cosecant square theta. So arithmetic mean of a square sine square theta, b square cosecant square theta, and this is geometric mean of a square sine square theta plus b square b square cosecant square theta. Right? Arithmetic mean of these two terms is divided by 2 greater than or equal to root of this one. Right? Now that implies a square sine square theta plus b square cosecant square theta divided by 2 greater than or equal to, these two reciprocal to each other, you can cancel this one. Root of a square plus b square means ab you will get. That implies a square sine square theta plus b square cosecant square theta greater than or equal to 2ab. Once you observe, here there are two terms, one is reciprocal to other. Is there means if you apply this condition, then easily you will get the range of that function. Right? So one function plus reciprocal of that function is there means this condition you apply. Now here sine reciprocal to cos, cosecant, right? Now similarly, so a square cos square theta if you write, what is the reciprocal reciprocal of cos? B square secant square, secant no? Greater than or equal to 2ab. Can you write? Same for this one also, if you apply this condition, same you will get what? A square cos square theta plus b square secant square theta, right? This is also greater than or equal to 2ab. And a square tan square theta plus b square cot square theta also greater than or equal to 2ab. For these two terms also, if you apply arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric mean, then what you will get? A square tan square theta plus b square cot square theta greater than or equal to 2ab, because in these two are reciprocal to each other. In these two are reciprocal. Here also these two are reciprocal to each other. Means whenever problem is, it is in the form of a square sine square b square cosecant square greater than or equal to 2ab, means minimum value you will get, maximum value infinity we have to take. Right? Suppose in these three problems, range asking means here minimum value is here 2ab and maximum is infinity. Means range asking means what we have to take? Closed interval 2ab to infinity. Right? Now by using this information, do the first problem. So what the given minimum value asking? 9 tan square theta plus 4 cot square theta. Now only you take it. A square tan square theta, B square cot square theta greater than or equal to 2ab. Now here A equal to, if you write this as 3 square, now this is 3. And here 4 is there. So what we have to write it as 2 square. A square tan square theta plus B square cot square theta. A equal to 3, B equal to 2. Now what is the, so 3 square tan square theta plus 2 square cot square theta greater than or equal to 2ab. 2a is 3 into 2, that is equal to 12. So minimum value is what? 12. Suppose they are asking range equal to closed interval 12 to infinity, like this you have to write. Okay, right. Or if you apply arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric mean, like this also you can take arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric mean. So arithmetic mean of these two terms, 9 tan square theta plus 4 cot square theta divided by 2 greater than or equal to root of 9 tan square theta plus into 4 cot square theta. That implies 9 tan square theta plus 4 cot square theta greater than or equal to 2 into cross multiplication. Root of these two get cancelled. 9 into 4, 36 greater than or equal to 2 into 6, the greater than or equal to 12. So this is greater than or equal to 12, means minimum value is 12, maximum value is means infinity. So what about the range of this function? Closed interval 12 to infinity. Here minimum asking, so minimum equal to 12. This concept you follow. Otherwise, by this procedure also you can find minimum value of this function. Otherwise, so the a square tan square theta plus b square cot square theta greater than or equal to 2ab also you can take. Next, this one. Second problem. So what they given here? 9 secant square theta plus 4 cosecant square theta plus 7. Right? Now that is equal to 9. This secant square theta will write 1 plus tan square theta plus, and this cosecant square theta how to write? 1 plus cot square theta plus 7. That is equal to 9 into, so multiply with 9 here, 9 plus 9 tan square theta plus 4 cot square theta plus 7. Now that is equal to, here 9 plus 4, 13 plus 7, 20 plus 9 tan square theta plus 4 cot square theta. This is nothing but first problem only. So by the first problem, 9 tan square theta plus 4 cot square theta, it is what? Greater than or equal to 12. But this one you want, right? So 20, if you add positive value, 29 tan square theta plus 4 cot square theta greater than or equal to 20 plus 12 greater than or equal to 32. So therefore, what is the minimum value? 32. Like this you have to do. Okay? Right. Next, third problem. What is there? So this is also, here angle what is there? Here also same is there, means you can apply. We know that what? A square cos square x plus b square secant square x is greater than or equal to what? 2ab. So it is in the form of 3 square, third problem, secant square 2x plus 4 square secant what? Cos square 2x greater than or equal to. So here angle same is there, so you can apply this condition. So angle should be same here, greater than or equal to 2. What is A? 3. What is B? 4. Or this one here you write and this one here you write. So that is greater than or equal to 24. Otherwise, take the arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric mean, you will get the answer. So what is the minimum value for this one? 24. So what about the range? range is closed interval 24 to infinity. Like this we have to. Okay. Next, see the fourth problem. That is 3 sine square x plus 4 cosecant square x. Now we know that a square sine square x plus b square cosecant square x greater than or equal to 2ab. If you apply arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric mean, then you will get the arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric mean for these two terms. Now, but this one root 3 whole square, can you write sine square x plus this one 2 square cosecant square x, right? Greater than or equal to 2, a is root 3 and b is 2, that is greater than or equal to 4 root 3. So therefore whatever the range is minimum value is 4 root 3. So 4 root 3 to infinity. Okay. And now come to fifth problem. So this problem is a little bit different from previous these four problems. So this theta belongs to open interval 0 to pi and the minimum value of this one asking. So here 3 sin theta is there, here cosecant cube is there. So which is greater than or equal to what means that is the minimum value we get. For that, so you follow this one. Arithmetic mean greater than or equal to geometric mean concept only. But which terms we have to take? Here how many times? 3 times of sin theta is there. I will take like this. Sin theta plus sin theta plus sin theta. And cosecant cube theta as it is I will write. This as cosecant cube theta. How many terms are there? 4 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Arithmetic mean of these 4 terms divided by 4 greater than or equal to geometric mean of these 4 terms. So sin theta into sin theta into sin theta into cosecant cube theta whole to the power of 1 by 4. 2 terms means 1 by 2, 3 terms 1 by 3, 4 terms 1 by 4. And now that implies, now this is 3 sin theta plus cosecant cube theta divided by 4 greater than or equal to, this is sin cube theta into cosecant cube theta. So whole to the power of 1 by 4. But the sin cube cosecant cube equal to 1. That implies 3 sin theta plus cosecant cube theta greater than or equal to, this is 1 you will get. Okay. And now greater than or equal to 4. So minimum value of this function is what? 4. Okay. So like this 3 types of problems, functions which are involving trigonometric functions we do. Okay. Now don't forget to subscribe our channel DSR Maths IIT JEE. Okay. Thank you.